Hello, my friend. Good afternoon. Today, I want to explain about EST3 printer. Okay, how to set that printer? I will show you. Please look at me. I will show you how to print. This is a printer. This is EST3 printer. Okay, this is new. Okay. See, exit of this printer is working 240 volt. Then data cable is connection here. Okay. See, completely connection is finished. Printer in this data cable, this 240 volt cable. Okay. Then I will check power coming out. See, power also coming. See, power also coming. Okay, so we need to connection in firewall and panel. Actually, I already pulled ready to cable. Okay, first we have here terminal port RX1, RX2 like that. This printer 1, printer 2. Okay, we are using printer 2. Okay, you can connection RX2. Okay, first you can connection RX2. Okay, then RX2, TX2, this cable is connection TX2. Okay, TX2. This print cable is common. This print cable is common. See, completely finished. And close. Okay, if connection finish, you can need to set address. Please open this one. Open the screw from here, then open. We have deep switch here. See, switch 1, SW1, SW2. See, starting new coming, all switch is off. Both are off. Then you can set switch 1 and switch 2. Switch 1 and switch 2. Okay, you can on switch 1. 1, 2, 3 number. 1, 2, 3. Then 5, 4, 6, 7, 8. You can on 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then switch 2. Switch 2 you can on switch 2, 2, 3, then 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, then 6, 7, 8 on. Then close the. Okay. Then you can put the printer is already connection and set also. Okay, I will put paper, then try to print out. Okay, first open this. Okay, this is a cartridge, ribbon cartridge. See, this is a ribbon cartridge. This is it. Put like that. This ribbon cartridge. Okay, I will put paper. See, already put paper, then power on. See? Now no red light, power on. Okay, then you will start to print. First you can go menu, enter status, enter this, enter status. Then which type of you need, if alarms, print alarm report, if supervisor report, if have travel report, pointer report, test report, which type of you need to report. Yes, you can press there. I need travel, try to 4 number travel. Okay, then enter. Okay, panel 1, this one. Okay, this, if you press display, showing here only, not print out. That's so you need to print. That's so 2 number print. Then enter. Printer number 2, we are connection there. Then printer number 2, then enter. Start, press again. See. See travel. See all active travel report. Like that you can set printer. Okay. If you need to ask about anything of fire alarm system, you can follow me. Subscribe and like and subscribe my channel. Okay.